Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add subtitles on Kinemaster. Adding subtitles in Kinemaster is a straightforward process. So the first thing you'll need to do is to launch open the Kinemaster application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the media option on the right hand side and select a video clip from where you want to generate the subtitles from. Once you select the video clip, it will be added onto your timeline. Tap the tick mark at the top right corner and then click on the layer option on the right hand side. Tap on text and go to the top right corner and tap on auto caption. Now click on get plugin and this will take you to your asset store. Select the language plugin you'd like to download and create the subtitle on. Choose the language of your preference and then click on the download button on the right hand side. Wait for the download to complete and you will then be able to add auto captions in the chosen language. Once the download is completed, the subtitle will then be added to your timeline. And that's how you can easily add subtitles in Kinemaster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.